this week a judge ruled your client, Karen Tadros, is not removable for, quote, the reasonably foreseeable future because ICE had failed to identify a third country where he would be removed. We reached out to ICE for comment. They haven't gotten back to us. You say the government was preparing to potentially deport him to Uzbekistan. How did all of this come about?
Yeah, Mr. Tadros won his immigration case a decade and a half ago. He's been working as an entrepreneur, an online entrepreneur in the United States for the past decade and a half legally with a work permit. And all of a sudden, out of the blue, a little over a month ago, ICE comes to his house and arrests him at his house. And they say, all right, we're not going to deport you to Egypt. That's already been established. We're going to deport you to a third country. They don't even say which one. They take him to a detention center and they basically lock him up and throw away the key. And he doesn't get any further information. So we had to file a lawsuit. And only once we were actually in court on Monday afternoon did the government say, all right, well, we tried to send him to Libya. They wouldn't accept him. We tried to send him to Sudan. They wouldn't accept him. And now our plan is to send him to Uzbekistan. And we're waiting to hear back from the government of Uzbekistan. This is a person who has no connection under the sun to Uzbekistan.